I was like, look, bro, I want to move to California. And he said, don't be surprised when you become the best one in that shop. All I could think about was how I wasn't destined. That wasn't the path that was carved out for me. Because I came from a small town of 5,000 people. And sometimes that's all you need is somebody to show you what's possible, to help you make a decision and bet on yourself. So that's what I did, one-way ticket. And if we want to get to where we're going in this lifetime, it's really all about decisions. To go from dreads to waves in one day. Hold out 360 Jeezy. I studied the greats. 360 Jeezy, I'm coming. Let's go. Some clippers in here. Oh man, I love this matte black. Number 3 guard on our Snap FX. Buzzing on the top of your head. Wow. Not that type of head, y'all. After having dreadlocks for 7 years, he gets waves in one day. How y'all doing? We ready to get right back into it. This is Jay Faded, starting you off the new year with some inspirational words. This is what I call conscious brushing. Now that I've found my crown, boom, I can brush around. All right, now that I put the work in, now I can apply a cheat code. Red alert, this is a wave definer. Apply pressure on your crown, pull them down. You're gonna wrap it around, lay it flat. I'm gonna pull it tight. Heat, pressure, and tension. One and only Jay Faded Motivation. Your goal is to fully align your life to your purpose this year in 2023. We all should have goals that we check off the bucket list this year. Imagine the end of the year, everything you want to accomplish. How would you feel if you made it all happen? Black FX3 trimmer. Use that to create a moon-shaped part. Now that I have a bottom guard line, now I'm going to create a top guard line. A 3 guard, my Snap FX. See me do a C motion. C scoop, the J scoop, hoop-diddy scoop.
Hoop-diddy scoop poop.
You gotta let go. You gotta let it go. If you still hold on to that old shit from the previous chapter, you will never write the next chapter, dog. You're gonna be one of them people with a book that only had 2 or 3 chapters in it. Bro, I want my book to have 100 chapters. I want my book to have a new chapter every single year of my life. I do something new. I evolve. Because all this hair is so short and my waves are much more dense, a low taper wouldn't make sense. Bars. The key to evolution is variation. That means you gotta change. I'm gonna grab my FX3 shaver, go against the grain, and with the grain right below the line. I got the 2 guard on my Snap FX with my lever open, go with the grain. The last guy, he didn't go to the gym. I'm gonna go to the gym. The last guy, he didn't eat clean. He didn't train with intensity. The last guy was a bitch. See how important that step is in the blend. Look at how the transition goes from the waves into this number 2. Now I can connect these 2 dots. This new guy's gonna be a savage. Boom, that was 2022. The key to life is to inflict more adversity on yourself than life inflicts on you. That's what I want you to do. Create a new character. I want you guys to know you can wake up and decide to become a version of yourself that you've never been yet. Never be afraid to reinvent yourself, to evolve, to grow. The key to evolution is variation. When you start to grow tired of what is in the light, you must face what's in the dark. All right, you guys, I just shampooed my lineup. It's because if you want to get a sharp lineup, like Vic Lenz once told me, it ain't gonna get done. Those are his exact words. He said, if you try to get a sharp lineup without shampooing it, it ain't gonna get done. That was pathetic. I'm gonna give myself the same VIP treatment because that razor is painful. And the last thing that you want is to leave them with marks. That would be shameful. This is reminding me that I used to love cutting hair. When I was in my mom's basement, cutting hair for free. I was messing people's hair up. It's probably true. That's probably true. But I was cutting hair for free. If a young barber is watching this, always remember to focus on the gift, not the money. Progress is often motivated by pain. When I was 16 years old in science class, the first time I cut my hair, I went to school and showed people my haircut. There was this one girl. She asked me in front of everybody, "Hey, why did you leave a line in the back?" That was because I didn't know how to use the guards. Well, there was a huge line back there that I couldn't really see. And I proceeded to watch YouTube videos late at night, learning this craft and practicing on myself until I could get somebody to trust me. Wow. Wow. I'm impressed. It's funny how the thing that you're afraid to do is the thing that you actually need to do. There's something called the terror barrier, and that is the point right before you're about to do something new that you haven't done yet. A new idea, a new thought, a new dream, a new goal. Move to a new city, take this new class, buy a course, buy a flight, take a seminar. There's a terror barrier. And most people, right before they're about to do something special, something big with their life, will stop at the terror barrier. A big part of why I changed my hairstyle, you guys, is because I've been faced with the terror barrier. To cut my locks off is to create a new version of myself. My life will not be the same. Neither will yours. As soon as you make the decision, there's always something that is holding us back in life that we're afraid to do. So get past that terror barrier. The fastest way to glow up is to make a choice, make a decision that scares you. I'm a firm believer that every next level of your life is gonna require a new version of you. So it's gonna require you to change your appearance, the way you look, the way you dress, the way you talk, the way you act, friends that you have, the circle that you have, the type of rooms that you're in. Now it's time to remove bulk above the beard. I simply apply a little bit of shave gel. Pull the skin tight with your opposite hand and let the razor do all the talking. And leave that line thick as possible. Now I'm gonna go with that PB to Go Drip Butter. Takeaways are, you don't achieve your dreams, you only achieve your standards. If you're writing this down, write that quote down from Malcolm X. What you don't hate, you will eventually tolerate. You don't ever achieve your dreams, you only achieve your standards. What you don't hate, you will eventually tolerate. And thirdly, find a mentor. Do whatever it takes to bring value to them. Money, experience, your time, your charisma. Share this video with somebody who needs it, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. We got more bangers on the way. You guys see me cut my locks, it's because I'm changing on the inside, and you're gonna see that visually on the outside. I didn't choose how the script started for my movie, but I'll be damned if I let somebody else finish it. I'm gonna make sure I finish it right. You can change your life. Your circumstances don't determine your outcome. I will never stop, and I'm gonna become the man I dream to be so that I can gift him to the world. And that is our purpose on this earth. If somebody needs to see this video today, share it with them. Because if somebody's in the dark, the best thing you can do is get them to the light. Say it with me, man. Say it with me. I didn't start my movie. I can't control how it started, but I'll be damned if I don't control how I finish. I'm writing the script from now on. I got the pen. I got the pen. You got the pen. Take it. It's yours.